k's maybe to the turnoff or something. So they drove the whole night. What time they started? 8 o'clock they said, is it?
8 o'clock, something like that, and it's,
Now they're back.
well,
Kind of.
well, what they've done, they've unloaded as well, depending where they go, you know. I mean, they're already back. How many? 60 k's.
Yeah. Friendly around here.
Huh?
They're nice and friendly around
Yeah.
here. Closer to Angola.
Nice hat.
Kinshasa capital. Case to turn now.
Three k's, is it?
Mm-hmm.
3 k's.
Mm-hmm.
And remind me to tell you something in 3 k's, okay?
Not bad. Just ask.
That's right.
And the people, Kamako.
Have a bite. It's nice.
Yep.
Not too dry, no? What?
It's
No,
very
don't
dry.
just, where's the fish?
Here, it's inside.
Oh,
That
sorry.
is fish.
Oh, sorry. I think we're eating a pepper.
No, there are 2 more.
Need to drink some coffee with that. Why?
Cool pig.
Have a look. We haven't found out. We still have 50,000 francs, don't we?
Yeah.
Normal wrapped.
No, I took 25. Okay,
Yeah, there was 75. So there
Okay.
should be still 2 still there. Isn't there?
I'm gonna
There's
count.
only 1.
I put it all over the place.
Oh fuck. Okay.
No, so
Just then we get to the border, you know, you got 2.
1, 2, 3,
We may have to pay
5.
some other.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Then, you only counted what?
That's,
1 bundle of 25, did you?
I don't know. I put it all over the place. So.
Did you break them up? That's what I'm
Yeah.
asking. Did you
Yeah,
break?
I did some not. So that's.
So when you get to the border, when you want to change, you know, you want to know exactly what you have.
remember? I said,
Yeah.
Start asking where's the road to Kamako.
This is it. Must be.
Okay.
Bonjour.
Bonjour.
La route Kamako, c'est par ici. Elle est bonne, hein? C'est comme une autoroute. Yeah. I said, it's good, huh, the road?
Like,
Yes, it's good, he says. I said, it's like a fucking motorway. Elle est bonne la route? Oui. Is the road good? Yes. Another bite? I have to concentrate a lot more, you know, so I can't have a whole sandwich.
yeah, yeah. What?
I think you should get out the car now
No.
and take a photo or a video. Just look at this, I mean, this is fucking tiny. This is crazy.
Yeah.
You should go stand up atop there.
Yeah.
We're going to get a nice sandy bit first, okay? This is fucking crazy. Any more k's to this road?
1 kilometer.
Anyway, we hang a right.
Then some other roads are there.
C'est la route Kamako.
Kamako,
Oui.
token de Liboso.
Oui. Ok. Merci.
Ah,
Yeah. Now he's all having a big smile on his face.
Yeah. I think Angola is shining.
I mean, a good shot would be like you in the front here and me driving towards you. You know, on the GoPro or
Yeah.
on your iPhone or whatever.
GoPro is good.
Okay, run up in front then, just before anybody comes. Nice photos, is it? Bastard. Bastard. It's quite soft on the side, huh?
Is that red?
Well, you look at
400.
not yet. No, it'll be. I think it'll be a big. Come on, come on. Say hello.
That's all this happiness they will have, eh? Okay, we'll look at the right turn now.
That's the right turn. Look, it's big buildings. Oh.
Right. Now we must ask
Must be, yeah.
him now.
I think there's a tracks here anyway. Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Ça va?
Ça va?
Kamako, c'est par là?
Ok.
Oui, combien de kilomètres au moins?
25 km.
3 jours. Merci.
Merci. Ciao.
$25 Ks, he said.
To Kamako? No, it's 60.
I said to him 3 days. Well, you can see the roads are fantastic. Although on Google.
Nothing. Even the other maps going around somewhere. What do you want?
I don't know. Yeah, he's
Oh,
right.
it's fine.
Bonjour,
Bonjour.
ça va bien?
Ça va bien?
Kamako, c'est par là? Oui,
Yeah.
Ok.
c'est juste à côté.
Ça va bien, petit Kamako?
Merci.
Ah, bonjour madame.
Ah, fait, oui. He's running after, he's going to jump on the back of his car. So are we in Kamako, are we?
No, Kamako is the
No,
border.
no, no. I said to you when you reach this turn off,
Yeah.
you have to ask me
This
something.
This is, yeah. Tell me. This works. I know
Switch off the motor, maybe something electrical.
Yeah.
I've been putting my foot down, nothing's
Yeah.
been happening, it's been changing gear.
After the river, is it?
Yeah, well, I switched off the motor. Maybe
Yeah.
that's, it is a bit electrical. Maybe it's just reset itself. I don't know.
Yeah.
I won't be too happy.
No, just keep going 1 meter by 1.
Yeah, 1 kilometer by 1 kilometer.
Oh, there we go. So we tourists, we went to see our friend.
Ah, yeah.
beneden.